Welcome back to Alkaline TV. This is Douglas Dennis, the Alkaline Chef. Today we're making spelt crepe cakes. What is spelt, you might ask? Well, spelt is an ancient wheat, and it's easier to digest than wheat. I do not eat wheat at all, but I do eat spelt, and I find it amazing. So this is powdered sugar, and we powder date sugar in a coffee grinder because we don't eat cane sugar. And this is coconut cream whipped with a whisk, and the type of coconut cream I like the best is in the description. And this is the thickest part of the cream. If you put it in the refrigerator overnight, the thickest part will solidify at the top, and then if you can whip it like so, and then add the powdered sugar. Look how nice and thick that is. Now this is going to be the cream in the layers of our crepe cake. If you have an electronic mixer, you can use that. Now here is the spelt crepe batter. This is spelt flour, chickpea flour, water, sea salt. And as you can see, it's very thin. But if you carefully cook them on a cast iron skillet, you'll see how great this works. This is going to be the filling and the topping. This is just frozen cherries and some fresh cherries. Obviously, fresh are better. And a 1/4 cup of agave. You can put a pinch of sea salt. And we're just going to layer up these crepes one by one. There you see them starting to layer up. And these have to cool, so we can't put the cream on until they're cooled off. Just put a thin layer of cream, and you can just eat it like this. Oh yes. You can just roll that up and eat it by itself, or you can stack them up layer by layer. Thank you so much for all your comments and your likes. I really appreciate it. The channel cannot exist without you. And let me know what you want to see in the comments. Here's our giant stack of crepes. They are all cooled. And as you can see, we're just layering them up. It's pretty simple. Now we're putting a layer of the topping. Cherry topping with agave. It has thickened up a bit. Very sweet. And back to layering. You could put a thicker topping than that in the center. I would have beefed up that layer a little bit. Alright, here's the last of the cream as we're running out. It's gonna be the final layer, it looks like. Wow, it's getting tall. Here come the cherries. Look at that out of focus slow-mo. You can imagine. Wow, it does look good though. A cherry syrup, alkaline cherry syrup, so good. You could just make that cherry syrup and glaze it onto anything. There it is into focus. Thank you so much for watching, by the way. I really appreciate it. I will level up this camera and equipment soon when the channel gets monetized so that I can make better, crisper, clearer slow-mos because I love filming the food. Look how good this looks. Wow, and there you have it. There's the Spelt Crepe Cake, and we're gonna cut a piece out and dig in. Wow, there you have it. Ooh, let's try it and see if it's any good. But I already know. Ooh, drizzle some date syrup on top. There it is. What do you think? Comment below. Are you going to try this yourself? Thank you so much for watching all the way till the end. I appreciate all your likes and your comments. And yes, we're just going to keep eating this. And thank you. We have a lot more recipes and we're posting every single day. So keep watching and remember, have an amazing day on purpose. And these videos are how. Until next time, peace.